Hi, I'm Kevin from Tentworld, Ipswich, and today I'm going to show you this OZtrail Hurricane Lantern. It's a great option instead of using 12 volt or power lights around your campsite or at home. You can use a bit of kerosene and use this great lantern for lighting at night. So these lanterns run on kerosene, so now I'm going to show you how to fill it. You've got your fuel tank down the bottom here and your filler cap, so if you just loosen off your filler cap here. Your lantern also comes with a funnel, which makes it really nice and easy. So pop your funnel in, you've got some kerosene. If we just lift the lantern up, pour a bit of kerosene in there. Now at this point, if you want to, you can also put some citronella in there. Citronella is a great product for keeping bugs away. So you not only end up with a great light at your campsite, but also something that can keep those nasty bugs away from your eating areas and things. So with the filler cap, just pop that back on nice and tight, and then we're ready to light the lantern. So now we're going to light the lantern, which is a really easy process. We've got a lever over this side, and we just put some downward pressure and lock it into place in the groove there. Lifts the glass up so we can actually get access to the burner. So I've got a match here. Got this lever here which makes the wick go up and down. So we just get the wick up out of the base, and we're just going to light that. And you can see there now the wick's lit. So just release the lever, drop the glass down. Now you can see there where the flame's burning really high and it's a bit smoky. So what we do, we just lower that a bit, get it burning nice and clean, have a nice bright light. Now these lanterns will run like that for anywhere between 8 and 20 hours depending on the height of the flame and how much fuel you're using. So they're a really efficient way to have some light going at your campsite most of the night. Now with it going there, just easy way to put your lantern out is, again, drop your lever down there and you've got a handle to lift. Just hold it. Just a nice sharp blow and your lantern's out. Now from time to time you'll need to replace the wick on these as they burn down. These are also available in packs at Tentworld, but your lantern comes with a spare cotton wick. So I'm going to show you how to replace that. It's actually a really simple process. First thing we do is we basically lift the top of the lantern, and then your glass will tilt out of the way. That gives you exposure to your burner. Your burner's just locked in there in some grooves. You just give it a slight turn, lift the cap off the top of your burner. Now you can see that gives us access here to the wick, and you can see the wick there goes down into the fuel tank. So to take your wick out, you just turn your lever and your wick will just come out. So it's as simple as that. So if you want to replace the wick, then we just pop it in there, push it down till you feel a bit of pressure, turn your lever, and you can see here your wick now is going down into your fuel tank. Keep turning and you've got your wick in place. Once you've done that, just replace your burner top. That just locks into the grooves here. A couple of little grooves on top of your tank. Just turn that, lock that in place. Lift the top, pop your glass back into place there, and now you're ready to go again with a brand new wick. So there you have it. These OZtrail Hurricane Lanterns are a great source of light for your campsite. They're available in a range of colours at all Tentworld stores, or you can buy them online at tentworld.com.au. So till next time, happy camping.